This is Doug with Far West Roofing, and today we're going to look at some of the damage that can be caused by a swamp cooler as the swamp cooler leaks, as the water overflows and the water that's normally used to go up and wet those pads, causing evaporation. And that cooling that occurs when that evaporation takes place is what causes that air to cool down, and as it's sucked in through the swamp cooler and taken down into the home. Now we're looking at these shingles here, and we can tell that there is some weathering on them, that the granules are coming off. We can see, again, looking at the center of the screen, we can see that fiberglass showing on those shingles there as the granules have come off, and also as the asphalt has come off. But we can get a good idea of the overall picture of this roof. And then we go to the swamp cooler and we look below it, and suddenly we see a tremendous difference in the wear and tear on these shingles. We can see a lot more shingles have come off, a lot more fiberglass is exposed. We can see the weather mark there, which differentiates the tabs on these three tabs. We can see how big the gap is between there. Compare, for instance, that gap right there to that gap right there, and you can see the difference in what's happening to this area beneath the swamp cooler. So as you service your swamp cooler, be mindful of the damage that water that constantly flows over and down the roof can do to it. What some folks do, you can see that access port right there on this particular model. You can get a normal garden hose and fasten it to the bottom of the overflow and run that down the roof, and you can actually empty it into vent pipes as the one that we've just shown. Any one of these two would do, just with a regular garden hose, and that there will prevent the water from flowing on the roof and doing this type of damage. Again, this is Doug with Far West Roofing, and thanks for watching.